Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade V50 and I want to show you how to take long screenshots on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must open an application which support long screenshot. Can be setting, Google Chrome, or something like something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen. And when we are on it, we can scroll there. And after that, we press volume down and power case together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And there we press scroll capture. Now we must wait a second and tap to pause our screenshot when you have all information we need, maybe now, and done. And we have our long screenshot. To save it in our gallery, we press there, and we have it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!